Hello, I'm Yoon-seo from Dongguk University DTM Lab. Today I'll be presenting a paper review on the topic linking customer sentiment to patent-based solutions through semantic analysis. First, here is the bibliographic information of the paper. This study was published in 2026 in the Applied Science Journal. The following are keywords in this study. Presentation follows the same structure as the paper. Customer reviews are used as key data for product development. Also, analyzing customer opinions is an important activity for companies to gain a competitive advantage. At this point, Voice of Customer is a systematic approach to reflecting customer feedback in product innovation. Many studies have been conducted to identify customer needs using review data. Existing studies focus on identifying unmet needs. Also, sentiment analysis studies focus on improving model accuracy. Next, existing problem-solution matching is often conducted using a single type of data. Finally, there is a lack of research on problem-solution matching in the HVA field. This study proposed an approach that links problems identified from customer feedback with patent-based solutions. It extracts unmet needs from customer reviews and solutions from patents and then matches that problems with the solutions based on similarity. The matching results are visualized as a technology roadmap to support R&D decision making. This study applies Voice of Customer as the theoretical foundation for using customer reviews in product development. It also uses trees to identify technical solutions and build a problem-solution matching framework to connect customer needs with technical solutions. Scraping can automatically correct various types of data. It is widely used for market analysis, brand monitoring, and social media analysis. In this study, web scraping is performed using the R programming language. Sentiment analysis is a method for classifying text as positive, negative, or neutral. Aspect-based sentiment analysis is an approach that analyzes sentiment toward specific product aspects. In this study, end-to-end aspect-based sentiment analysis is used to extract aspect terms and their corresponding sentiments simultaneously. Existing studies mainly focus on improving the accuracy of sentiment analysis and identifying customer needs. However, there is limited research on using unmet needs identified through aspect-based sentiment analysis as input for finding technical solutions. Therefore, this study identifies negative aspects in customer reviews as unmet needs and uses them for technology planning. Topic modeling can extract topics from large-scale text, making it used for analyze technology trends. Botopic extracts topics using contextual information and provides better performance than conventional models. Although Botopic has been applied to various technology management tasks, there is a little research that systematically links the extracted technology topics with customer needs. Tree supports technical problem solving based on the contradiction matrix. Previous studies have extracted problems and solutions from patents and used them to build technology roadmaps. Existing problem-solution matching studies focus on problems and solutions within patent documents and mainly rely on rule-based methods. In addition, there is limited research on semantically linking problems and solutions across different domains, such as customer reviews and patents. Therefore, this study proposed a cross-domain short-text semantic matching framework for matching problems with solutions. Technology road mapping is a method for supporting R&D planning. Most existing studies build technology roadmaps using information from the same patent document. However, there is limited research that integrates cross-domain data, such as customer reviews and patents. This study develops a data-driven technology roadmap by matching customers' unmet needs with patent-based solutions. Research framework is shown in Figure 2. First, reviews of split-type air conditioners are collected from Amazon. Aspect-based sentiment analysis is applied to the reviews to extract aspect terms with negative sentiment, which are then used to build the product layer of the technology roadmap. Next, patents are collected and solution topics are identified using the topic to build the technology layer of the roadmap. Reports on the HVAC industry are then analyzed to identify market goals and build the market layer. Finally, expert is used to semantically match the product and technology layers, and an integrated data-driven technology roadmap is developed. Reviews were collected from Amazon, and a total of 450 reviews were selected for analysis. Aspect-based sentiment analysis was then applied, and 259 reviews with negative sentiment were identified. An expert reviewed the results of the aspect-based sentiment analysis, and 55 reviews containing technical problems were finally selected for analysis. The review selection process is summarized in Table 1. Were corrected using CPC code F24F. The analysis was limited to patents classified under IPC code identified from previous studies and patents filed by the 11 major companies with the highest level of patent activity. The procedure for selecting the patent dataset is summarized in Table 2. Topic was applied to the patent abstract, resulting in a total of 57 solution topics. The overall process and the results are presented in Figure 5 and 6. The topic labels assigned based on the representative keywords for each topic are shown in Table 3. The market layer is constructed by pressing the market goals identified from reports along the timeline of the technology roadmap. This process is based on the market pull strategy as well as the UK's net zero strategy and green taxonomy reports. For fine-tuning expert, the study used a problem solution dictionary constructed based on expert consultation. In this dictionary, a single problem can correspond to multiple solutions. The expert-defined problem-solution pairs are used as positive samples, while unmatched pairs are used as negative samples to construct the training dataset. The problems and solutions are converted into an embedding space, and cosine similarity is calculated to identify the corresponding solutions for each problem, as shown in Table 5. Expert validation showed that most of the problem solution matches were consistent with expert judgment. In addition, external reports were used to further validate the proposed solutions. A data-driven technology roadmap was developed by organizing unmet needs identified from customer reviews, market goals, and patent-based solutions into the product, market, and technology layers. The product layer consists of aspect terms extracted through aspect-based sentiment analysis. The market layer consists of market goals, and the technology layer consists of patent-based solutions identified using prototype. The similarity score is used to identify candidate solutions and prioritize them. Technologies with higher similarity scores are considered priority solutions that better address customer needs, while those with lower scores are treated as candidates for long-term consideration. The resulting technology roadmap supports customer-centered innovation decision-making. Technical problems were identified from HVAC customer reviews, and deserving to solution topics extracted from patents. This enables the identification of R&D priorities and directions for product improvement. The practical validity of the proposed problem-solution matches was further verified by comparing that with external sources. This study proposed a data-driven technology roadmap that integrates customer reviews and patent data to connect customer needs, market goals, and technical solutions. In particular, the market layer is linked to the net zero strategy so that product development directions are aligned with sustainability goals. Because the proposed approach is based on public available data, it can also be applied by companies with limited resources. However, domain-specific adaptation is required to apply the approach to other industries, and its generalized is limited because the analysis is based on data from a single platform. Thank you for listening.